Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got another one of my 80s movie pops to show you. Now this is a pop I got a while back and you may have seen me unbox it. It was from R&M Collectables and it came in their movie, the Night of the Movies mystery box they did a while back. It is a pop I had a version of, but this is a variant and it is Dr. Peter Venkman from Ghostbusters, Slimed. Now, I think there's three different variants of this pop you can get. The slimed version, the marshmallowed version, and the original version. Now, I've got the original version, so I'm really pleased to have added this slimed variant to the collection. To be honest, with variants now, I'm at the point with my collection where I don't really want to get every single variant of a pop unless it's Masters of the Universe. With the Venkman pop, if I got the marshmallowed one, I would keep it if I got it out of a mystery box or something like that, as I did with this one. But it's not a line I'm going to be going down trying to get every single variant the Ghostbusters. As you've seen from my 80s collection, the space is limited in that section. So we will get Peter Venkman out, have a closer look at him. So as a kid, I always remember Ghostbusters. I remember going to the pictures. I think it was Ghostbusters 2 I went to see the pictures. Absolutely fantastic movie. I was very disappointed with the movie they brought out with the female Ghostbusters, and it just didn't do it justice. But I am hoping that this Ghostbusters Afterlife that is coming out this year is a lot more closer to the original story, and you see a bit of the original cast coming back because it is one that is close to my heart. Now, this Peter Venkman figure, so it's exactly the same mould and style as the original figure. However, he's got all these green slimed patches all over. You can see on his forehead there and his hairline the way the slime is sort of just oozing down on his gloves and on his boiler suit. So a really nice feature and one that does look really well to the Funko Pop. So we will get this slimed version of Peter Venkman and add it to the Ghostbusters collection. Again, a Ghostbusters is a line I will pick pops up if they are original, like I said earlier, but not specifically going to pick up loads of different slimed and marshmallow variants. I think I do want the original Egon if I can find it at a reasonable price, and there is a 3-pack of the Keymaster, Gatekeeper and Zool. And again, I think that one would be a good addition to the original line and collection. So I will keep a lookout for that. But we'll add Peter Venkman up there and show you all of the pops in the Ghostbusters collection. So there you can see Peter Venkman added. You can see the original Winston in the background in Ecto 1, which is a pop ride. And then this new range of, these were the 35th anniversary Ghostbusters figures, along with the Library Ghost. If you look to the back, obviously the 35th anniversary Slimer is there, but these, the Winston in Ecto 1, Peter Venkman and Ray Stantz were the original 30th edition Ghostbusters that were released, along with the 6-inch Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. But it is building into a rather nice little collection of Ghostbusters, one I'm really pleased to add and have in my collection. As I say, another one of the nostalgic 80s films that I remember really well, and it does look good in this sort of 80s eclectic mix I have got going on, as I showed you yesterday. I won't go over them all again today, but we will leave you with one last look at the Ghostbusters. As I say, it is building into quite a nice collection. So there you have my Ghostbusters collection. So I hope you've enjoyed that look at Peter Venkman. I've really enjoyed filming these last 3 episodes, a bit more of the 80s nostalgia that does filter into my collection from time to time. And I was really pleased to pull that out of Matt Baker's Night of the Movies mystery box. It was a really good pull. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a like, give me a subscribe. It does help me grow the channel. And if it is the sort of stuff you like looking at, along with Marvel, DC, Masters of the Universe, a lot of my content does revolve around those lines, so it's well worth subscribing and giving this video a like. It helps me grow the channel and keeps me bringing you this sort of content on a daily basis. As I say in previous videos, I am back working now, so I am filming in bulk lots and trying to keep ahead of time, so I keep bringing you these videos on a daily basis. Otherwise, that is it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.